So welcome to the channel guys. I hope you all are fine. So now we are going to discuss this GFG problem of the day, palindrome pairs. And this is a I had opened the problem. So wait a minute. So you can see this is a hard problem but have accuracy very good, so not so hard but in hard category it is. So we are going to read the description of the problem, and it states that we are given an array of string named as ARR of size n, and we have to find if there exist any two strings such that ARRI plus ARRJ. If we add both ARRI and ARRJ, then a palindrome is formed. Okay, that is the concatenation of string ARRI and ARRJ result into a palindrome. Okay, the addition of two string will give us a palindrome. Like here, if our n is equal to 6 and given array is this, then we are output is 1 because we have a string this and this, and if we add both of this, then this will form a palindrome like G, last character G, starting character G, then 2e, then 2e, then a k, then a k, then a single character F, and as you know, a single character is always a palindrome, so this plus this will always be gives us a palindrome. Now for n is equal to 5, we are given an array. This output is also is equal to 1 because we have two string this and this. You can see here ABC from starting, here ABC from and XYX is a palindrome. So the addition of these two string will gives us a palindrome. So now focusing on to the solution. Now this is my function for checking whether a string is palindrome or not. We are starting from I is equal to 0 and take another integer variable j, which point the last index of my string, and we run a loop while I less than j, because if I is equal to j, then it means it is always be in the odd length string, and the same character is always equal, because if I is equal to j, then they point to same character. So okay, and if my si and sj is are not equal, you can see I use not equal, then we just return 0, and else we just return 1, and I increment and decrement j in this if condition directly. So now this is my given function. I have to return true or false whether we have two strings by addition of which we got a palindrome or not. We are given int n, the size of the array of string. Okay, so we take an unordered map which pointed out the first index at char and second index vector int. Now what we store in it? In it we store the occurrence of last character of a particular string. Like here we store C A T R and B. Sorry, in PC we will store C, not B, C here. So you can see we have single occurrence, T single, but for C we have two occurrence, 0 and 1 2 3 4, 0 and 4. Okay, so this we will store in our array. And what is the basic logic behind storing the back of my string, the back character of the string? Because like in this case these two will make up palindromic string, then what is the basic condition I should have? The first character of this string should be equal to any other string from it whose last character is equal to it. Then we check out whether the addition of these both will gives us a palindrome or not. But here if you can see, if I am checking A, then we just got a single string, and if we store by one, then it the code will take n square time. But now because of this single character, our code will reduce to the occurrence of this character only. Okay, So it is like O n into k something. It will not take n square time, but very less time than n square. So now we run a loop from over I is equal to 0 to I less than n, and for each occurrence j of ARRI and 0, like for this string, ith string, the occurrence of its first character as the last character of all other string in my given string. Like for this we have t, but we don't have any other t. So, and then I write if statement, if my ARRI plus JRRI is a palindromic string, means if this function is return 1, means it is a palindromic string, and I is not equal to j, because you can see if we have a string something like AA, then like this, then I have a and also have this a as my occurrence, but I cannot use it because I have to found two string ARRI and ARRJ. So I have to find two different string. Like if this is not palindrome, but if this is palindrome, I cannot use it because I cannot add same string two times. I have to found two different string. That's why I write a condition I is not equal to j. So okay, and if I found, I just return 1, and if this loop completes its work and we don't found any two string, then we just return 0. And I am now trying to run this code. Yes, you can see one output is same. Now I try to submit it. Yes, you can see I have submitted this already. So you can see all 1113 cases passed. Time taken is very less because it's not n square. It's not n square now. So this is for this video, guys. I hope you like it, and if you like it, then please subscribe the channel for more amazing content. So thank you for watching this, guys. Thanks.